In this video, you will learn about types of carrots, mediums of growing carrots, planting carrot seeds, growing carrots from tops of carrots, and lots of carrots bonus tips. Hey there, fellow gardeners. It's Jen with Garden Fun Times. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most beloved vegetables in the garden, carrots. Whether you're growing them for their crunchy sweetness, vibrant colors, or nutritional benefits, carrots are a must have for any gardener. Let's get started. The best way to learn about carrots is buying seeds and planting them again and again and again and again. This is how you become a master gardener. But if you just want to get a lot of information, here we go. But if you just want to take action today, just buy carrots and plant them. That's the best way to learn. That's how you're going to learn more than any video ever. Types of carrots. There are actually a lot of carrot varieties you can choose from, depending on your taste, climate, and garden size. Let's break down a few of the most common types. Nantes carrots. These are one of the sweetest and most versatile varieties. They are about 6 to 7 inches long and have a cylindrical shape with a blunt tip. Danvers carrots. These are a classic carrot, slightly shorter but wider, and they can handle heavier soils like clay better than other types. Imperator carrots. These are the long, slender carrots you often find in grocery stores. They're perfect for deep, loose soil. Chantenay carrots. If you have shallow soil or prefer shorter, stocky carrots, Chantenay carrots are ideal. They're great for containers and raised beds. Purple, yellow, and red carrots. If you want to add a little color to your garden, these heirloom varieties are great. They bring unique flavors and add beautiful contrast to salads and dishes. So this was the best listing that I found on Amazon, a 10 carrot seed pack. So you can really try all different types of carrots. And that's my affiliate link. I will earn a commission if you buy through my affiliate link, and that supports the channel. And I want to know how well your carrot growing skills are after this video. So use that link or just type that in, and I will get credit for the sale and, get paid to turn you into a master carrot farmer by you just buying seeds. So it all's a win-win scenario. Mediums of growth. Now let's talk about where to plant your carrots. Carrots grow best in loose, sandy soil with good drainage. Loose, sandy soil. Loose, sandy soil. This allows the roots to develop without obstruction. Here are a few medium options for growing your carrots. Raised beds. These are perfect for carrots because you can control the soil quality. Use a mix of compost and sandy loam to keep the soil loose and ready to grow. Number 2, in-ground gardens. If you're planting directly in the ground, make sure your soil is free of rocks, clay, and hard clumps. You may want to mix in sand or perlite to improve drainage. Number 3, containers. Carrots can grow in deep containers. Choose a container that's at least 12 to 16 inches deep and fill with a light potting mix with added perlite for good aeration. Which ones do you use to grow your carrots, or do you use all three? Please let me know in the comments. Planting from seed. So when I was first growing carrot seeds, I got tricked and I thought I did it wrong because you can see the top one has spikes, and those are my homegrown carrot seeds. Where the bottom one does not have spikes, and that is what you buy from a seed dealer. So I thought I did it wrong because my carrot seeds had spikes, but somehow the carrot seed processors take off these spikes. I don't know how. When should you plant carrots? Carrots are a cool season crop, which means they grow best in temperatures between 55 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 13 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius. You want You'll want to plant them either in the early spring or in the late summer for a fall harvest. Here's the timeline. Spring planting. You can plant carrot seeds as soon as the soil temperatures reach around 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Depending on your region, this is usually 2 to 3 weeks before the last frost. Fall planting. For fall crops, sow your carrot seeds about 10 to 12 weeks before your first expected frost in the fall. Carrots can tolerate light frosts, which actually help sweeten their flavor. So, this is how I plant my seeds. I will take a trowel and make a nice little row for the carrots. And then I plant seeds one at a time and I space them about 1 to 1.5 inches apart. I have grown carrots when you just plant all the seeds and they're all right next to each other. And you're like, well, this carrot's going to be so big. No, what happens is if two carrots are growing in the same space, they like twist around each other. It's weird. It's gross. You don't want to eat it. You don't want to serve it. So carrots I call are like divas. Like they need their space. Like give them space. You don't want them too close together. You don't want them too far apart. But like this is how I do it and this is how I recommend it because unless you want like funky carrots that are almost like embarrassing, do it like this. Or you have to thin out your carrots and I hate thinning out stuff because that means you're just like wasting a seed and I don't like to waste. I like to use each seed. I like to get like 100% success rate from each seed. So I like to give them spacing. And then a dry seed is a dead seed. So some people will water their seeds and then put like a board on top to keep them wet for germination. And I recommend that as well. Carrots are ready to harvest about 60 to 80 days after planting, depending on the variety. When the tops of the carrots reach about 1 inch in diameter, they're usually ready to pull. To harvest, number 1, gently loosen the soil around the carrot with a garden fork. Grasp the base of the greens and pull straight up. Number 3, if the soil is compact, you can lightly water before harvesting. This video is me showing you what purple carrots look like. So purple and brown are kind of like in the same color spectrum. So you might think like your carrots aren't growing, but you have to check the girth before you pull out a carrot. And this is what a purple carrot looks like. I hope that helps for my purple carrot masters here. Growing carrots from tops. A carrot top will not grow a new carrot, but it will flower and give you seeds. Here's a cool trick. Did you know you can grow more seeds from your harvested carrots? It's super easy. After harvesting your carrots, cut off the top and leaving about an inch of the root. Place the carrot down in a shallow dish of water. Make sure the cut side is down. In about a week, you'll see new shoots and leaves starting to grow. If you leave the top in water long enough, it will eventually flower and produce seeds. Alternatively, you can replant the tops in soil and let them mature for seed production. So here I'm showing you a carrot top that I have been growing, and this is what the flower looks like. See, it's just like really long and doesn't look like, your normal carrot. And you can see this beautiful flower that's a white flower that produces the seeds. And then I double check because I'm not really into labeling, but if you really want to be organized, you should label if it's a carrot top or a carrot. And I just double check that it's a carrot top by not seeing a carrot, but a long skinny root underneath. And then I just wait for it to bloom and dry out, and I will harvest the seeds. This is what a carrot seeded flower looks like, and you can see all the little spiky seeds. These are carrot seeds, and this is why one carrot top could like literally give you like a million carrots. So you could just like go to the store right now and eat your carrot, buy some carrots, chop off the tops and plant them, and let the tops grow into flowers and seeds, and you will literally have like carrots for days. So when you get really good at carrots, let's talk about preserving the abundance of carrots. So now that you've grown all these beautiful carrots, how do we make sure they last? Let's talk about some of the ways to preserve your carrot harvest so you can enjoy them well beyond the growing season. Number one, cold storage. If you have a cool, dry place like a root cellar or basement, you can store carrots in a box of sand or sawdust to keep them fresh for months. Freezing. Another great option is to blanch your carrots and then freeze them. To do this, peel and cut the carrots into small pieces. Blanch them in boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes, then cool them in ice water before freezing. Pickling. Pickled carrots are delicious. Slice your carrots and pack them in a jar with vinegar, water, salt, and your favorite spices. Seal the jar and refrigerate for a tangy, crunchy snack. How do you guys preserve your carrots? Put it in the comments below, please. Carrot recipe? Now, for all you foodies out there, I got a quick and tasty recipe for roasted carrots that you can try with your fresh harvest. Here's what you'll need: fresh carrots peeled and cut into sticks, olive oil, honey or maple syrup, a pinch of salt and pepper, fresh herbs like thyme or rosemary. Number one, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Toss the carrot sticks with olive oil, honey, salt, pepper, and herbs. Spread them out on a baking sheet and roast for 20 to 25 minutes or until they're golden and caramelized. That's it. You got a delicious side dish that brings out the natural sweetness of your carrots. Trust me, you'll want to make this again and again. How about carrot juice? Just juice all your carrots and drink them. So if you're still here, you're like really into carrots. So let's just go into the benefits. These are the bonuses. The benefits of eating carrots. Carrots are a nutrient packed vegetable with numerous health benefits. Here are some of the key benefits of the carrots. Number one, carrots are rich in nutrients. Carrots are an excellent source of vitamins and minerals, particularly vitamin A. Carrots are high in beta carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. This vitamin is essential for good vision, healthy immune system, and proper organ function. Vitamin K1, important for blood clotting and bone health. Potassium, helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart health. Fiber, promotes digestive health and helps in managing blood sugar levels. Promotes eye health. Carrots are most famous for their eye health benefits. The beta carotene found in carrots is converted into vitamin A, which is crucial for maintaining good vision and preventing conditions like night blindness and age-related macular degeneration. Boosts immunity. The antioxidants in vitamin C in carrots strengthen the immune system. Regular consumption of carrots can help the body fend off infections and promote faster healing. Supports skin health. The beta carotene in carrots acts as an antioxidant, protecting the skin from sun damage and promoting a healthy complexion. Additionally, vitamin A helps repair skin tissues and reduce the risk of skin conditions like acne and dryness. Improves heart health. The fiber, potassium, and antioxidants in carrots contribute to better heart health by lowering cholesterol levels and maintaining healthy blood pressure. Regular consumption can reduce the risk of heart disease.